In this video, we're going to solve a word problem that requires us to turn a mixed number into a decimal. So let's read the problem. A special effects artist uses miniatures to shoot a scene in which a jet flies through a tunnel. Will the plane fit through the tunnel? Well, clearly, the plane needs to be smaller than the tunnel. So from this diagram, we can see that the tunnel has a width of 8.7 or 8 7/10 inches, and the plane is 8 7/12 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert 8 7/12 inches into decimal form. So I'm going to move this paper so that I can actually have enough room to work, and let's see what we can do. All right, 8 7/12. I don't really need to do anything with that whole number because I've already got 8 wholes, and that's not going to change. What's going to change is the fraction of the mixed number is going to become a decimal. So let's divide the denominator into the numerator. And we're going to divide 12 into 7, put in some zeros, bring up our decimal point. 12 will fit into 75 times, which is 60. We subtract and get 10, bring down our 0. We've got 100. 12 will fit into 100 8 times, which is 96. We subtract, we get 4, bring down our 0. 12 will fit into 43 times. We get 36. We get 4. And what we've got here, ladies and gentlemen, is actually, I'm going to slide this down, a repeating decimal. We know that 12 sevenths is going to be the equivalent of 0.583 repeating. Therefore, coming back to this, 8 7/12 is going to equal 8.583 repeating. And that's the plane. And our tunnel, as you might recall, was 8.7. I believe it was inches wide. Therefore, this number is clearly smaller than this number, and we know that the plane will in fact fit through the tunnel, assuming we have a good pilot.